What if everything you thought you knew about whale intelligence was wrong? Here's a mind-blowing discovery that's reshaping marine biology forever. Picture this. Among all the massive baleen whales cruising our oceans, there's only one species smart enough to master what might be the most sophisticated hunting technique on Earth. And this revelation is causing quite a stir in the scientific community. A groundbreaking new study has just dropped some serious knowledge that's got marine biologists buzzing with excitement. Out of 7 different baleen whale species researchers examined, humpback whales stand completely alone in their ability to pull off the incredible acrobatic maneuvers needed for something called bubble net feeding. Think of it as the ocean's version of a perfectly choreographed dance routine, but with life or death stakes. But here's where it gets controversial. This discovery suggests that humpbacks might be operating on a completely different intellectual level compared to their whale cousins. Are we looking at the marine equivalent of genius versus average intelligence? Cameron Namath, a brilliant graduate student from the University of Hawaii at Manoa, spearheaded this eye-opening research that's making waves, pun intended, in the scientific world. Working within the Hawaii Institute of Marine Biology's Marine Mammal Research Program, Namath and his team used cutting-edge technology. Think high-tech drones and specially designed suction cup tags that don't harm the whales, to crack the code behind this mysterious feeding behavior. So what exactly is bubble net feeding, and why is it such a big deal? Imagine a whale swimming in a perfect spiral pattern while strategically releasing air bubbles to create a cylindrical net of bubbles that traps unsuspecting prey. It's like nature's own version of a highly coordinated military operation, requiring split-second timing, incredible spatial awareness, and athletic precision that would make Olympic swimmers jealous. Namath's findings revealed something that shocked even seasoned researchers. While we weren't surprised that humpback whales' massive pectoral flippers gave them enhanced maneuverability, previous studies had already hinted at this. What absolutely blew our minds was discovering that out of thousands upon thousands of turns we analyzed from various whale behaviors, not a single other whale species could even come close to achieving the turning performance necessary to create an effective bubble net. And this is the part most people miss. This isn't just about being a better swimmer. This discovery exposes a fundamental difference in how these marine giants have evolved to survive. While other baleen whales might appear capable of sharp turns to the casual observer, their body structure makes bubble net feeding not just difficult, but energy prohibitively inefficient. Humpbacks, on the other hand, have evolved into the perfect bubble net feeding machines, giving them a massive advantage when hunting smaller or widely scattered prey. Let's pause here for a reality check about what these ocean giants actually eat, because it's pretty mind-boggling when you think about it. Despite being among the largest creatures ever to exist on our planet, baleen whales survive entirely on some of the ocean's tiniest inhabitants. Instead of razor-sharp teeth like their toothed whale relatives, these gentle giants sport long, flexible plates called baleen. Imagine enormous combs made from keratin, the exact same protein that makes up your hair and fingernails. Here's how their feeding system works. A whale opens its massive mouth and engulfs enormous volumes of water. We're talking several swimming pools worth. Then uses its powerful tongue to push all that water back out through the baleen plates. What stays behind? A buffet of krill, plankton, and small schooling fish like anchovies and herring, depending on the species and their location. The sheer scale of their appetite is staggering. A single blue whale can consume several tons of krill in just one day during peak feeding season. But here's the kicker. These whales don't snack year-round like we do. Instead, they embark on epic migrations covering thousands of miles, traveling between nutrient-rich feeding grounds in frigid waters and warmer breeding areas where food becomes scarce or non-existent. Now back to what makes humpbacks so special. The research reveals that those distinctive, oversized pectoral flippers, which can stretch up to 1/3 of their total body length, generate nearly half of the turning force required for bubble net feeding maneuvers. This incredible efficiency means humpbacks can execute these complex hunting strategies while expending significantly less energy than other whale species would need for similar movements. For any other baleen whale species, attempting such demanding acrobatics would be like asking a marathon runner to suddenly compete in gymnastics. Technically possible, but so energy-intensive that it becomes completely impractical for survival. Lars Bader, a research professor at the Hawaii Institute of Marine Biology and co-author of this groundbreaking study, emphasized the collaborative nature of this research. This represents an outstanding example of international scientific cooperation, taking advantage of datasets contributed by 28 different research organizations spanning 6 countries. These types of collaborative initiatives enable us to tackle research questions that would otherwise remain virtually impossible to answer. This massive collaborative effort allowed researchers to build an incredibly comprehensive dataset, providing rock-solid evidence for humpbacks' unique evolutionary advantages in the hunting department. But here's why this research hits particularly close to home for Hawaii residents and visitors. Every winter, humpback whales make their epic journey to Hawaiian waters, where they engage in a remarkable feat of endurance. During their entire stay in the islands, these magnificent creatures don't eat a single bite. Instead, they survive completely on fat reserves and stored energy from their intensive feeding sessions in Alaskan waters. Understanding exactly how efficiently they hunt becomes crucial for scientists trying to assess their overall health, energy reserves, and chances of survival during these extended fasting periods. This knowledge also helps researchers predict how environmental changes, such as shifting prey populations due to climate change or warming ocean temperatures, might impact their ability to survive those grueling migrations and months-long fasting periods. For Hawaii and its communities, protecting these incredible marine visitors depends heavily on this type of detailed scientific research. Studies like this provide essential guidance for conservation efforts by illuminating the real-world challenges whales face as they carefully manage their limited energy reserves while preparing for future marathon journeys. In an inspiring continuation of this research, Nemeth led this massive international project during his final undergraduate semester and plans to continue his work with the Marine Mammal Research Program as he transitions into a PhD program in 2026. He'll be taking charge of the lab's ongoing humpback whale research project in Maui, ensuring this vital scientific work continues uninterrupted. In a move that's setting new precedents for scientific publishing, Nemeth took an additional step that's got the academic world talking. He collaborated with a Hawaiian language professor to translate the study's abstract into Hawaiian, marking one of the first times a scientific paper in this field has included a Hawaiian language abstract. This groundbreaking approach opens doors for broader community engagement with marine biology research while honoring local cultural traditions. By bridging cutting-edge scientific discovery with cultural respect and inclusivity, this initiative demonstrates how modern research can advance global knowledge while simultaneously honoring indigenous perspectives and local communities. The complete study has been published in the prestigious Journal of Experimental Biology, where it's already generating significant discussion among marine biology researchers worldwide. But here's what I'm dying to know, and I bet you are too. Does this discovery suggest that humpback whales possess a form of intelligence that we're only just beginning to understand? Are we looking at evidence of problem-solving abilities, spatial reasoning, and coordination skills that rival those of dolphins and other cetaceans famous for their smarts? And here's the controversial question that's got me thinking. If humpbacks have evolved this level of sophisticated hunting strategy, what other complex behaviors might they be capable of that we haven't discovered yet? Could this research be just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to understanding whale intelligence? What do you think? Does this make you see humpback whales in a completely different light? Are we underestimating the cognitive abilities of these ocean giants, or is this simply a case of specialized physical evolution? I'd love to hear your thoughts on whether this discovery changes how we should approach whale conservation and research.
Drop your opinions in the comments.
Do you think we're on the verge of discovering that whales are far more intellectually complex than we ever imagined?